Big up to what's413.com, my man BC. Gotta give a fuck. You know what it is,
hold up. I'm about cheddar all the time for the cheesecake. I'll walk to Brooklyn 10 times if the cheese straight. I need dough like 4 times in each state. I'll take a chick rollerblading, but I'm a cheapskate. And if a nigga don't pay my cash, leave the hair on his head red like tampon pads. I'm a damn good look if you're looking for cash, and I'm a damn good number if you're looking to add. You got a stepson flow, you just looking for dad. I got a grandfather flow, I'm just looking for ass. You know what I mean?
Yo, it's a cold world, so I keep my ACGs tied. Black champion hood if niggas gon' ride. Gotta keep the heat, I know niggas gon' try. Cause we money getting, plus my niggas so fly. My niggas so high, I'm drunk as shit. No, I don't smoke weed, cause being cuff's a bitch, enough said. I'm still trying to touch enough bread for Carnival cruises and trips to Club Med. Never been a club head, but I do play that bar. So crack, never really did sling that raw. And weed was my love and preference. Blew back for lunch, dinner +1 for breakfast. Now I stay drunk and reckless, you dig? So watch when you rock that necklace, it's big. A lot of niggas still got love for the kid, though I was going for 2, yup, just to the bed. I'm home, so I'm back gunning for that throne. Got my swagger back, plus something for the clones. I love the microphone in the booth in the zone. Cold leader, Henny, nope, don't do Patron. Brown's better than white, I'm still hell on the mic. Dave Hustle never fall victim to the life. Shit, I'm trying to live for me and Jim. Keep his name in raps like Puff did big. Nigga, holla at me, man.
I said, who the fuck could stop me? With no dick between my legs, but I'm oh so cocky. Earlobes rocky, fear nobody. I'm the shit, the industry's one big potty. Filled with quacks, aka niggas faking jacks. Only pop shit when your peeps got your back. Pick up where these weak bitches lack. They running in place, trying to work it out like Nordic track. It's B Stone, name is the motto. Chicks spit harder than most of these niggas. Tough act to follow. Like a bag filled with rocks, a tough thing to swallow. Tough Tony talk only get you hollows till you hollow. Look, is you a leader or a cocksucker? I want the world, you can play the block hugger. Call the color purple Haze Glover. Roll it up, light it up, let it burn like Usher, trust me. You don't want it with Stone, that's why these bitches make their verbal threats over the phone. Sitting at home, 5 girls strong, bring it. Cause my people poker 6 feet long. 7, 8, 9, 10, fuck it, you've been warned. When the Aries come out, it's time to get it on. All my niggas got mouths and can back it up. So get your facts straight before you sideways talk at us.
They don't wanna see you alive, but rather see you bleeding. In time, they all change and switch just like the season. Told me cold-hearted, it's chilling like when it's evening. You don't even listen to the fucking words I'm speaking. I'm the act, coming to conclusion based on facts, defined reasoning. Just to put my place on the map, put rap on the back burner, cause I was chasing them stacks. But now y'all hit, motherfucker, the kid is back. There's a high risk of failure, like open heart surgery. You sure your flow can make those labels extend courtesy. So I study the game, the block's my university. Voice snakes, fakes, and jakes, and bitches that trying to curse me, justify my pain. When I get past my adversity, you be ill with your lines, but you still ain't a third of me, cause you fake as fuck and should be charged for perjury. And couldn't win a battle if you was strapped to try to murder me.
Introduce yourself.
It was Big Rob, Soul Survivors, Sidetrack, bitch.
Next up, trying to peep like light of suns take like with Steve. Yo. Next up, trying to peep like a lot of suns take flight. We still deplete like I spent the last quadrillion locked down. Can't win them all. We lose some that be killing them. Seen a lot of killers come into feminine. Scared to death, push your life through a night for seeing and in the prevision. Me snitching never, rather be on the stretcher screaming. Put the Ivy in, trust me, they don't wanna be where I've been. And right now, chilling with BC 413. What's the 413? Chilling with I-I-I-I-I-T. Chilling at E-E-E-E, go be go. In the name of I-I-I-I-I-I-P. God rest his soul and everybody that we lost, the most souls. And we wildin' out, keep it in control. And we wildin' out, and we can be out of control. And if you step up like a fool, you will get fooled. Our violence get executed, you know the road. And that's where I was born on the AAA. Raised in the South End, we don't play AA. Hollywood, and they went to work all day. This is just freestyle shit, you know what I'm saying? 413, you know what I'm saying? BC, gotta hold it down, Rusty Slang, Double P, here now. You know what I mean? BC, I appreciate you doing what you doing, baby. You know what I mean? For the field. You know what I mean? That motherfuckers know it's real talent.
Save your breath. I don't waste time. Problem need to be solved. The answer's on the waistline. Chills, I got him. Just give me the word. Treat him like he passed away and put his face on the curb. Every time I hit the strip, I smell bacon on every corner. Middle finger to the pigs. Yeah, I move when I want to. Keep the goons on standby. Haters want to rumble. Team is wild animals. Welcome to the jungle. Hustle hard. We got it, yeah. As far as the weed smoke, we done ran through more trees than koala bears. Handle my biz, man. You ain't gotta stare. Homie, just take a picture. It lasts longer, just take it with you. Move with the mean mug and watch for the beam, cousin. Official rule boy. You don't want it with the team, brethren. Or there will repercussions involving some heavy gear. Never seen so many niggas hopping out the Cavalier. Run to the cops in the hood. That's a frail act. And I'll expose you kids, so run tell that. Who was you fooling? Yeah, you tried, but you didn't. It ain't hard to tell them jail taxes and gimmick, man. I'm finished. Why even stoop to the shit? Rather discuss new recruits, baby, blue in the tank. They ain't recognize the game. You're in the cop block and roll out the hall for this mob, cause I lose it when I pull out.
Yo, what's your name, brother?
Smitty Smash.
All right.
It's your boy Young Stealth. Springfield Mass is definitely in the building. 413 TV, Top Floor Entertainment, Block Mob's the gang, Young Stealth's the name. But hold up.
What up, Daddy? Hey,
No
yo,
lying, tech flying, you can feel the steam when I click the beam. Hollow tips and make your shoulder lean. I unfold the cream, flee the scene, it's a robbery. You lying probably if you say a nigga is hot as me. If I buck, you get stuck. Bullets had to roll them over, try to told you ran into hard luck like iron clovers. I ain't rich, but I threw some D on the strip, threw some D's on my whip, and threw some D on your chick. Before I left, a nigga threw some C's on her tits. Must admit, I'm the shit. Who you know is hot as this? Run up on me, you can snatch that. But when you dip, I'ma squeeze to it click like a gas cap. You a snitch, you a bitch, fake thug rhyming. You get hit with the gauge and turn your chain into blood diamonds. They cannot beat us, cause they know we keep heaters. If you sell coke, we yank keys like D. Cheetah. You a dick beater, ball sucker, fudgeback, a faggot ass fake rapper. Who you niggas take after? When I run up, niggas so nervous, cause they know I'm known to show my favorite five like a phone service. Dump shots like I'm wasting liquor. You better face it, nigga. Whole team sick. I know it make you sicker. You let them fat hoes. You not a pimp, you need an Oscar. His bitch's stomach got more rolls than Kevin Costner. Bullets spin him like a helicopter. You a fake imposter. Wetting noodles like you making pasta. You a homo, you smoke weed, don't make you roster. Seen a couple Pesci flicks, now you think you mobster. If I pop in your body, you're swimming with the lobster. Like a bomb drop in dreams like a lobster.
Let him shot, let him shot. Let him shot, let him shot.
You need dope by the time I man Texas.
Yeah. Big up to what's413.com, my man BC. Gotta give a fuck. You know what it is, baby. Gator.